Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So guys, as you can see on the gold market, really upward bounce started. So we had discussed that probably some at least minor reaction should happen on this support, because real strong support 1245, 1250 area. Speaking from the fundamental point of view, you probably know that this reaction mostly stands due significant drop on the crude oil prices, and as the crude oil trades in relation to the United States dollar, it means that the inflation pressure is decreasing because the commodity prices falls. So usually, as the inflation is growing, the commodity prices should grow, because the cost of the currency reducing due to the inflation. So of course, on the background of the current crude oil dynamic could stand some other reasons, but that doesn't change the core that stands in relation to the United States dollar. As a result of this action, the United States Treasury's yields have dropped significantly because this price behavior makes an impact on the expectation of the investors of the rate increase by the Fed Reserve. That in turn impacts on the gold and supports the gold, because the reducing of the expectation of the price increase supports gold. That, as you can see, leads to upward reaction. So it's difficult to say right now how durable this reaction will be, but right now overall action stands really fast, and it means that probably market could reach some higher resistance levels before downward action will continue. So here, right now, it looks like the minor bounce out from the confidence support. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we already have discussed why we think that the downward action really could continue. Mostly because this really fast acceleration on the CD leg of the ABCD pattern. We will see what will happen. Right now, market is coming to the first resistance at 1256 fib level. Next destination point of the retracement will be, as you can see, long-term support resistance area. Previously was resistance, becomes support, support again. Now it will become the resistance. Also, it includes weekly pivot point and technical confidence resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart 1262, 1265. So the next destination point on the way up. But currently it's difficult to say whether the market will reach it or not, because when you take a look at the hourly chart, here actually I would not have yet any hints on the possible ABCD or something of that sort. If market will form, for example, ABCD pattern will start to form the ABCD, we could calculate the precise destination point. But right now it's only the first leg. Here, guys, also you can see that our some kind of a free drive pattern works not bad. Actually, market indeed has started upward action as soon as it has formed this pattern. This divergence with the MACD indicator, so we have discussed this. So on the gold market today, guys, I see only one chance for trading. You can see this upward action takes the shape not bad for us, actually on the hourly chart. And following this logic, here we could get some kind of the bread and butter trade or something of that sort, because market right now is coming to 1255 major resistance. Here we could get some retracement. I mean this resistance area. We could get some retracement here, because previous, as you can see, momentum down is really strong. That's why here is logical to suggest the pairing of the bread and butter trade. If we'll get this retracement to the fib level, we could think about taking the long position with the bread and butter trade. That's the only setup that I see right now on the gold market. So maybe the next week or even tomorrow we will get some kind of the ABCD pattern to discuss or something of that sort. But right now only this short-term pattern. So let's see what we will get.